Cool. Okay. My name is Keshav, Ganeshbabu. I am the digital marketing intern for GenAI Consulting, and here we have Noah with us today too. Noah's the CEO. Big shout out.
Thank you, man.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. So today's seminar is going to be the exploringmake.com seminar extended. So we have done one before, but this one's going to be more extended. It's a browse AI. I think I kind of skimmed over how to go through and get the title and the caption of your articles. I wanted to go more in depth for that. So if this is anybody watching this for the first time, I would say actually no, could you mute your real
My
fast? Yeah. Cool thing. No, no worries. All right, cool. All right, yeah. So for any first time watchers, I want to this seminar is basically if you are posting on LinkedIn and you're trying to grow your LinkedIn account and trying to put on posts from different articles that you want to basically summarize and add to a quick little LinkedIn post. This is an automation for you. So I'm going to be exploring make.com, which is a platform that is completely free. And well, there are some paid add-ons, but for the most part, it is free. And it is, in my opinion, the best platform for AI automation. So I have a little presentation that I will present right now. This is the first slide. We are exploring make.com. Like I said before, um, this is all going to be it's going to be an AI automation platform that you can take an article and then form that into a LinkedIn post from running this automation. So I just want to go over the platform. So basically, it is a no-code automation platform. Um, it empowers users to automate workflows without coding, and it improves your productivity and efficiency. So the user-friendly interface is very good. I'm going to show you that soon. Workflow automation, we'll get to that as well. Okay, so now we're at marketing automation. So marketing automation can be very useful. There are a bunch of scenarios where you can actually take things from like a website, or you can take things from a blog post, and then you can route it through different kind of flows, and then insert an Instagram post, a LinkedIn post, and a Facebook post, whichever one you want to do, honestly. It is all seamless and it all works very well. So that can be done for marketing. Project management, that's also there. There's Google Sheet capability, there's Notion capabilities. So yeah, we'll definitely we'll get into that as I explain it through the app. Or sorry, the website. Yeah, so it is a step-by-step process. What you want to do is you want to start off with selecting a trigger, which is going to be, based on what you're trying to do with the automation. You can even update Google Sheet tabs, you can update Notion databases, you can check websites for changes, and then based on that change, you can then add an element to your Google Sheet. So there's a lot of different things you can do here. So yeah, let's just yeah, there's over 1,000 applications that you can use, and we will go over that as well. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I think that's the best way to um explain the website. So let me just get it set up. Okay, can you see my screen? Cool, perfect. So this is Make. This is how it's gonna look. This is my automation that I'm running so far for the seminar. But I also wanted to go through the templates that we have here. So if you get anything from the seminar, I would love for you to just go check it out. Go see the scenarios. Go see if you would want to add any of these, definitely check it out. See if you can, set it up yourself. They do help you with like setup and guide you through that. But yeah, so let's just go through a couple of these here. You can sync Notion database to your Google Calendar. You can create Notion database items from new Google Sheet rows. There's just so much capabilities with this website, and I think it's just a very very productive tool you can use to save a lot of time. So now let's go into the scenario that I wanted to get into. So let's go into this. Okay, so now we have our LinkedIn post automation. So what basically is doing it is taking Browse AI, which is a website platform that you can take different articles and take things from there and it'll store it. So what it is doing, it is taking that title and that caption, and then it's going to route it to the ChatGPT module, which is then prompting the AI for a response from there. So basically, this is the prompt right here. You can see it written in the module. So you're a professional content creator, write a LinkedIn post based on this content. And this task parameter here is actually the origin URL from the Browse AI module. And I will get into that. I'll get into that in a little bit. And then here's our LinkedIn module, and you can see I've put in the URL here, the title, and the description. So I actually need to put the caption in here. Um, there it is. So you see that there right here is going to be your title, and then below that is that caption. So let me just start from the beginning and then we'll go through it too. So browse AI, let me just go right to browse AI. So here's my browse AI. So in browse AI, you can set up a robot. And I'm going to go through with that as well right now. So um it's not going to look like how it's going to look like right now on my screen because when you initially go to the website, it'll make you do it to begin with. I've already done it before, but now it's going to do it again. So here we go. And they have this super cool feature called Robot Studio, where you can basically take an article and take whichever text you want from that article and it'll extract it. So here's that. Um, so my article of choice is going to be this article right here. It's going to be from TechCrunch. I usually get all my AI news from TechCrunch. It's a very good source. And it's going to be called ChatGPT search is not OpenAI's Google killer yet, right? So basically, all I want is a good title and a good caption. So the title is very easy to find. It's gonna be right here. So what you want to do is you want to go to capture text, and then it's right here, capture text, and then just text. And then you can just highlight over it. It's very easy. Press it, and then you want to press confirm. And then you can put a little title for it, a little label. You want to make sure you label everything. So this is gonna be title, done, just like that. Now we're going to get a good caption. So now we just go to capture text one more time, just text, and then I'm just gonna grab this first paragraph here, and then I want to do the visible text, and then you just hit confirm, and then that's gonna be my caption. So I'm gonna put caption in here, and then I'm all set for that. So then let me save. And cool. So, and then to make sure you know where you are, if you're doing too many things at once, you want to make sure you know where you are. You have this little sidebar here where it says navigating, then this is visible text, and then visible caption. So you have these two already done. And it's recording your every move. So this is going to happen whether you put this article, a different article, this is going to happen either way. So you're recording now. Let's go ahead and finish. It's going to take a little second. There we go. Cool. Usually it's a little bit shorter than that, but I guess since I'm rebooting or something, I think it's a bit longer. But here we go. We have our title and we have our caption. Perfect. So now that we've run the task, or now that we set up our bot, now we just press finish setup, and there we go. So now I'm just gonna run this task one more time because in the module here, um, you can set it up for when um once the task is done in Browse AI, it'll immediately run. But I want to make sure that I know what I'm doing first and I know that the article is right. So um I'm just gonna run it like manually. So I'm just gonna run this once and it should get that title and that caption from that same article. And there we go. Perfect. So now this Browse AI is gonna grab that and it's already done. So once it's done, then you want to go over to your make and then you want to run it. Run it and save it. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now we just use our existing data. So we want to so you can also wait for the new data, which means you press the wait for new data, you go back and you run it. But I just ran it, so I'm going to use my existing data. There we go. Cool. So as you can see, it's done. So it's taken the link, put it in the title caption, put it in the chat GPT, got the response, and now it's made the LinkedIn post. Now, if you go on LinkedIn, you check out GenAI Consulting. Boom, you can see it right there. Exciting news in AI. So this is all done from the automation. You can see exciting news in AI. ChatGPT search is making waves, and you can see it's made this whole post. So that is it for the little demo. Are there any questions from anybody? All right, cool. Well, look, if there's no questions, then that's basically like a little introduction into Make. I hope that you take this seminar into, your daily lives and understand, that automation is the next up. The automation, people who are not using automation in the future are definitely going to be lacking in productivity because it just saves so much time on so many things you could be doing. And while it is free now, I do think that it will be paid for and it'll be very expensive later on because everybody's going to start getting onto these automation techniques and using it in their daily lives, and it's going to be, there's going to be too much demand. So definitely, I think take a look at this now when the demand is low, when people are just figuring it out, and yeah, hopefully this helps. So yeah, thank you.
Okay, Keshav.